Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're reviewing this Veepeak OBD2 scan tool. It comes in a little box here, has a setup guide, it pops out here, and then you plug this into your car's OBD port, and it'll tell you about trouble codes, it'll let you clear trouble codes, and then you can also get some real-time data on your car. So I'm going to be looking at this, seeing what data we get out of it. I'm hoping I can use a third-party app so it'll tell me the transmission fluid temperature on my truck. So let's try it out. Alright guys, I've put the OBD2 scanner down here into my port. Then I'm going to jump on here. This is the app they recommend. Car scanner. I'm going to hit connect. Says it's connected. I'm going to do diagnostic trouble codes. Let's see if I click that or click it again. I guess I'm trying to get it to see diagnostic trouble codes. See if there's like a read all feature. There you go. If you hit the check mark, it reads them all. I'm going to click read. This is going to take a while, so I'll check back in with you guys once it's done reading all of these different units. Alright, so it scanned all of my systems and found one code, which is a light sensor malfunction. So what I'm going to do is, I know my light sensor's been working, because like when I go under overpasses and stuff, my headlights will turn on and off. So that basically controls the automatic headlight function. So I'm going to clear that. And then it gives you some options here. I'm going to clear all the trouble codes. So I'm going to cancel that. Go back. I'll clear it later because it's just going to take so much time. So it gives you a coolant temperature here, it gives you your fuel trim level. Between 0 and 3 is pretty good on fuel trims. Mine are all between 1.5, 2.3. Trying to see if it gives me, let's go down to T, transmission temperature. So it gives me the ATF temperature here, which that is probably pretty helpful. Gives me my odometer readings. So I'm guessing I could do my transmission fluid job with this ATF temperature reading. So that's pretty solid. Gives me the coolant temperature, how cold it is outside. So we're getting a lot of details here from just something that costs $30 on Amazon. And it's super nice that it's giving me this transmission fluid temperature here. So I'll have to do a little more research to see what the V3 and the V.2 difference between those. I'm guessing that's just two different places where they measure the temperature. So I'm pretty happy with this. On my sensors here, go to live data. We go to separate. Go back, live data, combined to see what that looks like. Look at my fuel trims. Gives me a nice little graph here my fuel trims and how they look, which I'm pretty happy with. So overall, guys, I'll highly recommend this. If you guys like it, come check it out. I'll put a link down below where you can buy one. I'll catch y'all next time.